Huh?
When you hit, you're out.
Yeah, well, if you hit, just stand still. On whose count?
Huh?
Whose count? We ready? Jordan?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, play. Woo! Jordan! You didn't even hit me. You haven't hit me yet. Still haven't hit me. Still haven't hit me. Still haven't hit me. And he's hit me. Oh my god. Ah! He's running. Did you hit me? You? Ah, shit.
Where did my name go?
It kind of just rolled.
Mate, I don't even know where it went.
It kind of rolled like around.
I'll go bridge.
I'll go there.
Yeah, I'll start playing.
Okay. Hit your shots this time, Jordan.
Huh?
Hit your shots this time. You know I've got that on camera. So want to ping you from here, Jordan. We ready? You ready, Simon? Hold on, Simon's got 2 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1, play. Hello. Where are you, Tutan? Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Yeah! Straight in the neck! Yeah, I'm fine. Trust me, it's happened way more than you think.
Don't miss my shots this time.
Yeah, you've actually grown some balls.
Sorry, man.
That's fine, don't worry. Oh.
What, last round with the last one?
Yeah, one more.
Who won that one?
You.
Fucking hell!
I got Simon. He's like,
Yeah, I seen you straight away.
I knew Simon was going to try and come behind me. Oh. One more.
You alright, yeah?
I'm fine, mate, don't worry. Fucking John F. Kennedy, that shit. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Nice. Woo, the reflexes!
This pistol just keeps like locking up.
Does it?
Man, it's too, look, it's frozen.
Yeah, mate, look at it.
That thing is frozen. Shit. How cold is that to the touch? It's not even that cold.
No, it's not that cold. But Jordan's monster was colder than that. Whew. The reflexes.
See, look, after every shot, it just gets stuck.
Fucking hell.
Whose reflexes?
Me. I was sitting on that tree and just like...
That's for me.
You were just sitting there.
Oh yeah, I was just chilling.